Hello students, today we are going to see 9th standard maths, 3rd chapter algebra, exercise 3.2. Find the value of the polynomial f of y is equal to 6y minus 3y squared plus 3 at y is equal to 1. We have to find out the value of f of y. So instead of y we have to substitute 1. So instead of y you have to substitute 1 means f of 1 is equal to 6 into 1 minus 3 into 1 squared plus 3. So that is equal to 6 minus 3 plus 3 cancel. So that is equal to 6. So f of 1 is equal to 6. Next f of that is y is equal to minus 1. Next one is y is equal to minus 1. So instead of y we have to substitute minus 1. So that is equal to 6 into minus 1 minus 3 into minus 1 the whole square plus 3. So that is equal to minus 6 and here plus 1 and minus 3 plus 3 cancel. So that is equal to minus 6 and at y is equal to 0. So f of 0 is equal to 6 into 0 minus 3 into 0 plus 3. So these two terms are zeros. So that is equal to 3. So f of 0 is equal to 3. Can you understand students? The next question. P of x is equal to x squared minus 2 root 2 x plus 1. Find P of 2 root 2. So instead of x you have to substitute P of 2 root 2 is equal to x2 root 2 the whole squared minus 2 root 2 into 2 root 2 plus 1. So that is equal to 2 squared 4. Root 2 into root 2 2 only and minus here 2 2s are 4 root 2 into root 2 the same 2 plus 1. So that is equal to 4 into 2 8 8 minus 8 8 only. So these two terms are cancelled. So the answer is 1. So therefore P of 2 root 2 is equal to 1. Next question, third one is find the zeros of the polynomial in each of the following. P of x is equal to x minus 3. Let us find out what is P of x. That is instead of x what we have to substitute. That is zeros of polynomial. First let us consider this is x minus 3 is equal to 0. So x is equal to minus 3 goes that side we will get plus 3. So what is the zeros of polynomial? That is P of 3. So zeros of polynomial is x is equal to 3. And second one, P of x is equal to 2x plus 5. So let us consider that is 2x plus 5 is equal to 0. So 2x is equal to minus 5 and x is equal to minus 5 by 2. So what is zeros of polynomial? Zeros of polynomial is x is equal to minus 5 by 2. And next one, third one is q of y is equal to 2y minus 3. So let us consider 2y minus 3 is equal to 0. So 2y is equal to minus 3 goes that side we will get plus 3. So y is equal to 3 by 2. So what is zero of polynomial in this question? Y is equal to 3 by 2. The fourth question is find the root of the polynomial equation. First question is 5x minus 6 is equal to 0. In the second question we have to write first the question. That is another one is x plus 3 is equal to 0. And one more question we have to write, that is 10x plus 9 is equal to 0. 10x plus 9 is equal to 0. Let us, what is the root of the polynomial? That is we have to find what is the value of the x. That is the root of the polynomial. Let us see how to find out this one. 5x minus 6 is equal to 0. So now 5x minus 6 means 5x is equal to minus 6 goes that side we will get 6 and x is equal to 6 by 5. So what is the root of the polynomial in this question? That is x is equal to 6 by 5. In this question, x is equal to, directly you have to put the plus 3 into minus 3. So what is the root? X is equal to minus 3. And here 10x is equal to minus 9. So x is equal to minus 9 divided by 10. So this multiplication goes that side in the denominator. So what is the root of the polynomial? X is equal to minus 9 by 10. The fifth question, verify whether the following are zeros of polynomial indicated against them or not. Whether it is zeros of polynomial, we have to check. That is, instead of x you have to 1 by 2, we will get the answer for 0. If it is 0, the x is equal to 1 by 2 is the 0 of the polynomial. So, p of 1 by 2 is equal to 2 into 1 by 2 minus 1. 2 cancel. 1 minus 1 is equal to 0. Therefore, x is equal to 1 by 2 is the 0 of the polynomial. Next question. P of x is equal to x cube minus 1 when x is equal to 1. So instead of x you have to substitute 1 means 1 cube minus 1, so that is equal to 0. So therefore x is equal to 1 is the 0 of the polynomials. Third question. P of x is equal to ax plus b. And what is x? X is equal to minus b by a. So instead of my p of x, instead of x you have to substitute minus b by a, that is equal to a into minus b by a plus b. Here cancel. So minus b plus b is equal to 0. Therefore x is equal to minus b by a is the 0 of the polynomial. If it is not equal to 0, it is not a 0 of the polynomial. But in these three questions, all the answers are 0. So the given question is given the 0 of the polynomial. The next question, find the number of zeros of the following polynomials represented by their graphs. Look at the graph and see the x-axis. This is the x-axis and this is the y-axis. This horizontal line is x-axis and the vertical line is y-axis. Find out the number of zeros in the x-axis. The line, the curve cuts in the x-axis at 2 points. Look at the board. The x-axis, the curve cuts at the x-axis at 2 points. So the equation has 2 zeros. For this graph, the equation has 2 zeros. And check this. In this curve, there are 3 points cut at the x-axis. This is y-axis. Don't bother about the y-axis. Only you find out in the x-axis. So 3 points are there. So 3 points are cut to the x-axis at the 3 different points. So the number of zero of the given curve is 3. And in this graph, there is no curve cut at the x-axis. It cut at the only y-axis. So the number of zeros of the given curve is 0 because it is not cut at the x-axis. So the curve is 0. The number of 0 is 0. Can you understand, students? Thank you, students. Thank you for listening. We will see the next exercise in the next class. Thank you.